Well, today we're with Wayne and Lynn because they're selling their lovely two-bed apartment and they're going to tell you about it in a minute. Whereabouts can you find this apartment, Wayne?
Well, this is Nessebar Fort Knox. There's three of them all together. There's Nessebar, Orchid and Holiday, all side by side. I think we have 19 swimming pools that we can use on all three complexes. We have the bar, there's a swimming pool right outside here. The complex is actually opposite the water park. It's not far to go if you've got little kiddies and you want a day out. But we have 5 swimming pools on here, so I don't know why you'd want to go there. There's slides, there's fountains, there's everything for your little kiddies here. Lovely complex.
And why do you want to sell this apartment?
I think as dreams coming true now, we've got an house. We've found an house at the right price that we can afford, and we're going for it. We're sorry to leave here. We love it here. It's a really nice place. We live here all year round. Come end of September, it's just me and Lynn here, basically. And we love it. We love it on here.
Well, we've been here for a good half an hour now, and I can say it seems very quiet, even though you've got the swimming pool and they've got the trees, so it's quite a secluded spot. So you'll be sorry to leave it, Lynn?
Oh, definitely sorry to leave it, but excited for a new beginning.
Oh, no, that's lovely. So thank you, Wayne and Lynn. So we're going to show you the apartment now. We're just going to step through. It's ground floor, so very good if you've got mobility issues.
We have direct access straight out onto the grass. Just across there, you've got your swimming pool and a bar. This bar closes at 11 o'clock. No exceptions, 11 o'clock, it's got to close. So we sit here in an evening, listening to people enjoy themselves, little kiddies playing. They're still in the swimming pool at 11 o'clock, but when you're inside, you don't hear anything. So we'll sit here in the night, a little beer, half a beer, sipping away, watching the kiddies play. When our families come, we have all this garden. We go out there, we put tables and chairs out, we play games on there. It is family orientated. Nobody regret living here. We've not regretted buying once whilst we've been here.
Oh, wow, this looks really nice, Lynn. Oh, it looks really cosy.
It's very homely, Susan.
Sorry?
It's
Right.
very homely.
Very homely. Oh, Lynn says it's very homely, but it does look very homely. It's decorated lovely. So, Wayne, what's it actually available to buy in this apartment?
Everything is staying in the apartment. We're not taking anything except our personal effects. We're taking as pictures and as clothes. That's it.
Oh, that's great. So,
Everything's staying. TV, units, sofa, everything's brand new. We've recently just redone it also. Basically, it's all brand new. Brand new television. 2, there's one in bedroom as well. That'll be staying.
oh, that's great. So if you want to buy this apartment off Lynn and Wayne, all you have to do is bring your suitcase, plonk your stuff down, and it's ready to go. That's brilliant, isn't it? Oh, a ready-made home.
Straight to your swimming pool and your bar.
Oh, on your bar. Well, there you are.
Straight to the swimming pool and bar.
Well, now we're stood in the kitchen area, and it is quite a nice sized kitchen actually for the apartment. Done very nicely in a lovely blue, dark blue colour. What colour would you call that, Wayne?
I call it a grey colour, but
Yeah.
if it sells me apartment, call it blue.
So it's a bluey colour or a grey colour, whatever you want to call it. But it's lovely. Everything's included again, even the kettle. So once you get off that plane, drop your suitcase down, make yourself a cup of tea, then go to the bar. Oh, it's lovely. Well, now we're in the master bedroom, and I must say this is a great size. So, and again, Wayne, is everything staying?
Everything. I'm taking my socks out, my sock drawer and my pant drawer. That'll be about it. That's all I'm taking.
Oh, that's brilliant. So when you've dropped your bags off, made your cup of tea, been to the bar, come back, you've got a lovely bed to sleep in. Oh, it's nice and airy in here as well.
It really is, really is.
Yeah. Oh, that's good because it's a lovely hot day.
You've got a big family. You could actually fit bunk beds in if you wanted to as well.
Oh, yeah, you could actually. Yeah, plenty of room for more beds. Oh, it's great.
There's a sofa bed, that sleeps 2. 2 in there.
Yeah.
Put bunk beds in here, that's 6. and this one 8. So it could hold 8 people.
Oh, that's great. If you've got a big family and you all want to come on holiday together, this apartment would be ideal for you. Well, now we're in the second bedroom, a bit smaller than the master, obviously, but again, it's quite a nice size. It's very comfortable. You've got a wardrobe, you've got a chest of drawers, and you've got a little vanity unit. So again, they're brilliant. It's lovely. It's ideal for a family. So, and again, Wayne, everything's staying except for your socks.
Staying in here, yeah, except for Lynn's little bits and pieces, and there's few pictures on windowsill. Everything will be staying.
Oh, that's great. I can't say enough how nice it would be to drop your bags off and you've got a ready-made home. It's wonderful. It's really nice. Right, now it's down to the nitty-gritty. Wayne, how much do you want for this apartment?
Right, it's been valued at €95,000, and that includes everything inside it.
So I think that's not a bad price given this current climate here in Sunny Beach, and it is very spacious, good quality. You get 2 TVs. It's amazing. It's a great price, everybody. So get yourself a bargain. Snap it up. Give Lynn and Wayne and Lynn, a ring on the number what Andrew's going to put on this video.
So as soon as somebody puts a deposit down, we're gone. We move out, take us things with us, and it's empty, it's vacant for you to move in.
Oh, so that's great. So if this is the apartment for you, don't hesitate because it won't be around long. Thank you very much.
You're welcome,
and good
thank
luck.
you. Thank you very much, both of you.
Right, Lynn and Wayne, we've had a lovely afternoon. Thank you very much for letting us be nosy around your lovely apartment. So don't work too hard later, will you?
We'll try not to.
No.
I try always not to, but don't
Anyway,
always
get some
that
hug
way.
before you go.
Thank you very much, Susan.
Thank you. Thank you, Lynn.
Sorry, sweet.
That's all right. I'll see you later.
See you later.